Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best luggage weighing scale in India. It will be great to check your baggage weight at home before leaving from your place, especially to airports. Use any right quality baggage weighing scale and avoid throwing your unwanted stuff at the airport. It can be more frustrating while paying an extra baggage fee at the airport. To avoid this, we will be needing a luggage weighing scale at home. Before buying, there are few things to consider. Let us understand them, one after the other. Let us jump into the features and factors that need to be considered before buying the products, without any delay. The first feature to consider is the size of the weighing scale. In this case, these weighing scales are already available in tiny sizes, but you still need to check the perfect one that can fit anywhere. But to get a good grip, you may need to buy a big size weighing scale for your luggage. The next feature to consider is good quality hook. You need to pay attention to hook quality while selecting the best luggage weighing scale. If the hook quality is poor, then while lifting heavy luggage, it may break. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is good grip. A good grip is another important factor for selecting a luggage weighing scale. If your weighing scale's grip is not right, it can hurt you while lifting the bags to measure the weight. Scales with a complete palm grip are a good choice compared to scales with one or two finger holding space. The next on-hand feature in this list is load capacity. Do not buy a luggage weighing scale with low weight capacity. Select the machine with the higher weighing range of at least 80-100 kilograms. The next factor is accurate reading. It will be useful if you can get an accurate reading of your luggage so that airport authorities can never spare you for any mistake. So, before you buy a luggage scale, check this factor seriously. The upcoming factor in this list is auto on-off. Though this feature is not outstanding, your scale should have this feature to save battery life. In any case, if you forgot to switch off your scale, it will be turned off after some time automatically and will save the battery from getting drained out. The next approaching factor in this list is material quality. You must pay attention while selecting a weighing scale for a longer run, and if the material of the scale is cheap, then it will not be durable for more extended usage. Always check the reviews if you are buying a luggage weighing scale online. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, we have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is the Gotripin weighing scale for luggage, Silver_LS. The key specification of this product is metal-built belt type. The weight limit of this particular product is 50 kg 110 pounds. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Glun Bolt Electronic Portable Fishing Hook Type Digital LED Screen Luggage Weighing Scale, 50 kg 110 pound, black. The key specification of this product is plastic-built hook type. The weight limit of this particular product is 50 kg 110 pounds. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is the key specification of this product is plastic type belt. The weight limit of this particular product is 50 kg 110 pounds. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.